Hello, my name is Mike, and today I want to show you how to accept iDEAL payments on your WordPress site. If you're unfamiliar with iDEAL, it's an incredibly popular payment method in the Netherlands. This method will work on any level of Formidable Forms, even the free version. If you're unfamiliar with how to install Formidable Forms, I'll leave a link to a video in the description below that shows you how to do so. Let's get started. First, connect your Formidable Forms installation to Stripe. You'll just need your Stripe login information. You might want to just connect to test servers if you're figuring it out, and then connect to live servers later. If you don't have a Stripe account, just go to stripe.com and create one. It's easy, it's free, and it will let you connect to dozens of payment methods, including iDEAL. Then, log into your Stripe account directly and under Settings, and then Payment Methods, make sure to activate iDEAL. By default, you'll have credit card payments active too. On my account, you can see I also have Apple Pay active. With those changes made, let's now make the form to accept payments. We'll create a new form. I want to get a user's name and email address. And then I want to collect a payment. You can obviously add more fields to your form, but this is all we need to get started. Click Update to save. Then click Settings at the top of your form and go to Actions and Notifications. Click Collect a Payment to add a new payment action. We'll put payment in the description. With Formidable Forms, you can dynamically add information to your actions. For example, for the user's email, we can select the field ID of the email field, so it will add it based on the user's input. We can do the same to the name fields as well. You can also do the same for the amount, where you can link to a total price field or maybe a blank number field if you're collecting donations. In our case though, we'll just put 10. And finally, change your currency to Euro. That's the only currency iDEAL accepts, so without it, the iDEAL option won't show up. Click Update to save. Now, when we preview our form, you'll see that you have an iDEAL payment option for your site visitors to use. And when they fill out the form and select it, they will be forwarded to the bank website they chose so they can pay using iDEAL. And that's how easy it is to add iDEAL payments to your WordPress site. Subscribe for more WordPress tips, and I'll see you next time.